Hello, doers, and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. Here at Stealthywood, I've had my help desk up and running for a while now, but I want to make sure that my customers have as much information as possible before going to our support team. This is where the Help Center comes in. The Help Center consists of three features, all of which integrate with the help desk. Today, we're going to be examining one of those features, the community forums. The forums allow my customers to connect and share ideas, opinions, and experiences. And they also help build a sense of community around our products. So, enough chit chat. Let's dive into our Stealthywood database and see how this works. So, the very first thing we'll need to enable is the community forums on our help desk team. So, head into the help desk app. Now, here from the main dashboard, I want you to click on the customer care team's little three dots icon and then select settings. We're going to scroll down until you reach the help center section over here and tick the box right here next to community forums. Great. Now, once that feature is activated, you'll notice a new field appears right beneath it. Now, this allows me to select a specific forum for this team. Now, if I want to look at the settings for this forum, we're going to have to head over to the website application. So first, manually save, get out of here, head over to the website app. Okay, perfect. Here we are. As you can imagine, this means you're going to need the website application to use forums. But don't you worry. If you haven't done so already and installed the website application, enabling the forums feature we just saw will install it for you. So from here, navigate to configuration up at the top header, and then select the word forums. Great. So here we can actually see our new help forum. So let's click into that. That was easy. Now it's time to set the mode for this forum up here at the top. Now I can set the mode for this as a questions forum if I would like to, which means in that case, submissions will be limited to one answer per question. But in our case, I want to switch this to the discussions mode because I want to encourage my customers to start a conversation with one another. We can also see other options I can configure in the order and visibility section down here. And also, I'm noticing now we have a privacy section. I could turn this forum private by selecting signed in, which means users would have to be signed in on our website to see it. The same goes for the some users option, but I actually want all my customers to be able to see and participate. I'm going to keep it set to public for now. So these other tabs over here that we have show me how much karma or points my forum visitors will gain or lose when interacting on the forums. So in my situation, karma also keeps users on their best behavior. Bad answers will get downvoted and therefore lose karma, such as question downvoted. And even worse, don't get flagged. That's like minus 100 points. That's a lot. But this is all pretty cool. Okay, now that our new forum is ready to go, let's fill it with information to share with our customers. I think it's time we manually save and return back to our main dashboard over here. So I'm actually going to open up our help desk application over here and select the customer care team's tickets. Let's pick one of these. This one seems really specific. We're going to go with what's the best kitchen cabinet varnish for your home. Okay, so I have a ticket here that my customers are going to be really interested in. Since this looks like it could generate a conversation with many people, I'm going to add it to the forum that we just created and give our customers a chance to share their opinions. So once we enabled the community forums option for the team, a new button was added to the top of the ticket called Share on Forums. So if we would like to, let's click that now. And then once we do that, we have a nice little pop-up over here. And here I can change the title or content of the message. I can also add tags to make it easier to search for on our forum. And if I wanted to, I can also create one. So why don't we do that right now? I'm going to create the product tag because this deals with the product. Okay, now I'm going to very quickly answer this question. So just assume that I am trying to not quickly search on Google or YouTube what is the best answer to it. All right, now we've pasted it in through my extensive product knowledge. And once we're done, we can actually just select create and view post. Awesome, I did that all by myself. Odoo then redirects me over here to the forum on the website, and I can see my post, and this is what the forum post looks like to visitors. So what else can we do once that our forums are fully configured? Well, now that I've been taken over to it, since I am the one who created the forum post, I am listed as the person asking the question right here, even though it happened to have been our customer, Chester Reed, who was the one that was initially curious about this topic. You can also see some additional options if we look at the left over here. Underneath my username, we can see how many karma points I have, as well as other posts that I've created under the My Posts heading over here, and maybe stuff that I favorited through this option. But let's also take a closer look at this bell icon over here to the right. What does it mean? Well, this icon tells me that I am following this post, meaning I'm going to be alerted to any updates that may occur. It's a pretty useful feature to have. Now, when you post a question, you're going to automatically follow it. To unfollow a post, you just click on this bell, and then it's going to turn into that red little thing with a slash going through it, indicating you're no longer following it. And one more thing, I'm actually going to talk about this. We're going to head back over to our help forum over here. And sometimes a customer happens to submit a forum post that needs some additional attention. In that case, we can actually create a ticket from the post itself. Let's pick one of these, like damaged package upon delivery. This one looks pretty important right here. Seems like we should talk to Joel Willis over here about the specifics of this situation. So we're going to select the three dots in the bottom right corner of this and select create ticket. See, this is getting pretty cool. Now, instead of here, if I wanted to, I can actually change the title or assign it to a specific team. But we're going to keep things as they are, and we're going to select create and view ticket. Boom. Once that we did that, guess what? Now my help desk agents can chat with Joel directly about his issue in the back end, and he won't have to reveal any personal information on the forum. And you saw how easy that was? It was super easy. As you can see, when it comes to support, sometimes it's not just about what my team can offer my customers, it's about what my customers can do for themselves. Anyways, that's all for this video. Next up on our Help Center journey, e-learning. Stay tuned. Go grab a snack.